Hello to Educational Expo TV to giving me a wonderful opportunity to talk in front of you. So I am Dr. Akhilesh Kumar. I did my PhD from IIT Kanpur. After PhD, I joined Axis Institute of Technology, Kanpur, and I am basically a inorganic chemist. I am working on the mimicking of bioenzymes, such as we know that the photosystem 2 having manganese tetramanganese cluster, which are responsible for the water oxidation, and the another enzyme is the hemoglobin, myoglobin, hemerythrin, which are responsible for the respiration. So I am trying to do my research in the area of the bioinorganic, which are very important and factful. So as we know that in research, they are the research means something we say that search again and again and again, and after that we go to the conclusion. So basically I am trying to mimicking that type of molecule which are water, which give water, which are responsible for the water oxidation, and another type of molecule which are responsible for the respiration, take oxygen and do the different type of reactions. So such as that is the model of the water oxidation, which are which having the manganese tetracluster, and the another one is the methane monooxygenase, which are also responsible for the CH activation in the normal temperature. So my research basically on the mimicking of photosystem and the mimicking of this type of enzymes. So in the my research work, I published a paper, the manganese bisoxo complex, which are not responsible for the water oxidation, but I did reactivity with different substrate. When I made this molecule, I am trying to do the water oxidation. When I apply all the knowledge and trying to do the water oxidation, did not get the good result. So I am thinking again, so what should we do with this molecule? So after search lot of literature, I got that this type of molecule also responsible for the OH activation. So I did the OH activation with this molecule. So same with the like methane monooxygenase type of enzyme also make a different dinuclear hydroxyperoxide species which are responsible for the CH activation. So basically I am saying that I am a bioinorganic chemist and working of this type of mimicking of this type of a model. So we can say that there are lots in research, there are lots of problems in. If you are in IITs and NITs, you have the facilities, but in case of you are doing a job in the private university, there are lots of difficulties such as fund problem. Another is the labs are not good prepared for the research. So what should we do? So we can do one thing, we can collaborate some work with different IITs, NITs, and after that we can do some work with the collaboration. So it is not means that if we don't have the facility, we cannot do some research. We can do. We can apply our knowledge and collaborate some different IITs and NITs, and we can do the good research. So my suggestion to all researchers, if you don't have facility, so don't waste your time trying to collaborate with different IITs, and you can definitely do a good research. So the Educational Expo TV organize a wonderful platform, so we all researchers and academicians come together and do a fruitful result in research and academic. So this is my simple talk to everyone. This is my contact number and mobile and email number. You can contact me directly this. Thank you very much.